Welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this video, I'm going to show you the best, easiest way to make your own jerky at home. This recipe works great in an oven or a smoker, and is so easy, even Pat can do it.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe to help out the channel, and without further ado, let's get into it. Making your own jerky at home is cheaper and healthier than buying it from the store. If you're a jerky lover, you're probably consuming a lot of preservatives. Fortunately, it's super easy, cheap, and rewarding to make it yourself. The best cuts of meat for this recipe are lean beef or venison roasts with little to no marbling. I'm using a beef top sirloin roast and a venison roast we had in the freezer. So the first thing we're gonna do is get it sliced up. One thing I like to do, a good tip, is to have a thawed roast, but put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes right before you're gonna slice it. It makes it a little hard, and it makes it really easy to get those nice, thin slabs. So I like to use nice, semi-thick. These are like just under a 1/4 inch. That's how I like my jerky. But you can do it however you want, like I said. And having a sharp knife really makes a difference here, you guys. We've got our meat cut up. We're gonna go ahead and get it seasoned. Now this part depends on what kind of jerky you wanna make. You can do just a basic salt and pepper jerky if you wanna go real healthy, real plain. You can do a soy sauce marinade, or you can do something spicy. So I'm gonna show you what I like to do. So we'll pop this in the fridge for about an hour, then I will show you how to cook it, either in an oven or a smoker. Alright, so I've got my 2 pans seasoned up here. My oven is preheated to 225, and we're just gonna go ahead and pop those in the oven nice and low. And it's gonna take, it depends on how thin you cut it, but it could take anywhere from 2 hours to 5 hours. But the telltale sign is that when you pull it out and you bend it in half, it'll start to break, and you can see the fibers of the meat and everything. You'll know when it's done. Alright guys, it's been about 3 hours now, actually a little over, about 3 hours and 20 minutes, and it looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out, give it a little test, and let it rest. Here is the test. We let it cool down for a little bit, so now we just grab a piece, we give it a nice fold, and if it breaks like that, I don't know if you can see that, definitely done. That's jerky. That pepper adds a nice little crunch to it. It's got a little spice, but not very much. All in all, it is very nice. And for 1/4 of the price, what you'd pay for a bag of quality jerky like this, that isn't full of preservatives and sugars and everything, you're getting way more. So, alright guys, that is the recipe. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you got any value out of this, please like, subscribe. It really does a lot to help the channel. Otherwise, until the next one, Bakes out. Yeah.